All right, guys, here we are, part two there, looking at the backyard here at Niagara Tropics there, Pineapple Dam once again. Of course, here we are mid-September and looking at some significant growth on a bunch of stuff. This late bloomer here, castor bean, is chugging along. But the Sabal Minors, a lot of new growth this year. No protection, just right up against the house wall here, which is facing west. So there you have it for that. Again, more bananas, musabajus come back every year. Nice clump. Even have some pups growing, you know, right off to the side here like this. And they've put on some nice new ones again this year. And they're really turning out quite well. So very happy about that, very pleased. Of course, we have some grass. Again, some more lavender, Adam's needles, always a staple around rock gardens, love that. Over to this side here, we have a black lace, and that adds a bit of drama. Needle palm, you know, slow grower, as you guys know. However, it has thickened up nicely and very nice and green, so just very happy where it is. Of course, there's, you know, some offshoots right there at the bottom. Very nice tree. It was planted about 5 years ago. And this guy here only gets wrapped with some chicken wire and a lot of the fall leaves surrounding the tree. So I do tie up the fronds, surround it with fall leaves and chicken wire so the leaves don't fly around. But that's it, no lights, no heat, no nothing right here. So we are in zone 7A, Sabal Minors. Of course, those of you who've toured the backyard are well aware of this tequila, trachycarpus, and the history of this palm, which is very great. A couple of seedlings I put in near the base, so sort of naturalizes it a bit more. Rosa Sharon, more Sabal Minors. Yes, I did mention they were my favorite in the other video. Windmill palm, trachycarpus. Sort of an overcast day today, a bit of sun, but perfect for capturing video. I found these Robelinis, triple trunk Robelinis. I thought it would add a little bit of drama. I really like the feather tip style palms like Pindos and Robelinis and any Phoenix species that, you know, they all look well in pots, and they add again, very nice appeal to a hardscape. Here we are, some more windmill palms. This one is actually putting off some nice seed. As you can see, there's some nice seeds being captured there, and of course right here. So some have fallen, and we'll see where they, or if they naturalize or get picked up by a lot of the squirrels or my dog or what have you. Again, some Sabal Minors. Here's the twin towers that were added last year and survived the first winter really unscathed. So we'll see what happens this year, but they really do add a nice effect to the back. I planted some ivy as well to sort of keep the ground moist around these new plants. One of my clients has some ivy around the base of his windmill, and it looks fantastic, and it does maintain a lot of the moisture. And of course, the Pindo is just really happy there after its 3-year establishment rule. This is now its 5th year, and just very happy with this Pindo. You know, enjoyed the summer so much that it actually put on a lot of growth in the middle, and I couldn't be more pleased with this guy. There's a windmill palm that stands close to 6 feet, 6.5, was planted as a 30-gallon a few years back, just loving where it sits. Next to that one is a crape myrtle, and this crape myrtle still flowering a little bit. I mean, you can see off in the end. So this is a zuni crape myrtle, cleaned up at the base, and I've got some cuttings that I'm having fun with. So, you know, love the crape myrtles. Castor beans, I'm hanging on to this one. They are toxic to your pets, so you want to cut away the seeds before they do fall off the tree or the plant, that rather, and you know, you don't want your dog picking that kind of stuff up. Little gem, southern magnolia, still flowering mid-September. Look at this guy right here, mid-September. Again, I don't overwinter this one with any tricks or special equipment or anything like that. It just stays right there in the ground. I give it a shot of wilt-proof once a year, usually mid-October, late October, before the first frost. and you know, it fares quite well. Drops its leaves in the spring, but you know, flushes right back out with some solid new growth. And I'm very happy with the growth this year. See a lot of the, you know, stems right off the actual main trunk of the tree. So very happy with that one. I'm trying sky pencil this year. You know, we'll see how that goes. And of course we have some Abyssinian red, Musa bananas. So there you have it, everybody. I hope you enjoy it. A bit of a garden tour again with the twin towers right there. And nothing beats a tropical garden without having your favorite made in China Taki Tiki Flamingo.